we all jump down?
Yeah, how about we all jump down? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking.
Alright.
Jump down.
Yeah, we all gonna go. Shoot him! Shoot him!
I don't know where I'm going. I died. Oh, she's chasing me.
Should we jump down?
Wait, y'all on the roof?
Jump down.
Jump down. We jump down. We're not on the roof
Bro,
anymore.
fix it. Kaden, help me fix this.
Yo.
Help.
Yeah, kiss him.
He didn't
Why are
know
you
to
eating his
fix this.
arm?
Let me fix that.
I'm leaving.
Oh.
Oh, he did.
Bring her in here. Don't bring her in here, please. Don't bring her in here. Go in the call over. Bro, no one wants to see your house.
Nah, Kaden's rich.
But look at his outfit though. Like why his outfit when we first met him he was bald. Alright, boom. I go first. No. Yo, stop taking it, bro. Pick it up. Yeah, good boy.
Yo.
What's this?
What?
Yeah, what did it just say?
True form. I'm turning into the grandfather clock. I'm turning into my true form.
Okay, you can stay there when the monster comes.
Yep, he can't see me. Incognito. Hey, there's only one for one of us. Get out of here. Oh, it's right there. It's right there.
Oh, we're dead, bro. We're dead. We're all gonna die in this corner.
Who says we're gonna die?
Everybody said it last
Oh yeah, now we're good.
Oh my god!
Hey, oh, okay. Oh, let me get some.
More pizza.
Let me get some.
More pizza.
Put those down. Let me
More
get some of
pizza.
those.
Let me actually
That's not
get some.
pizza, that's
Donut. Oh, donuts.
Oh, bagels. Actually.
Oh my god, golly.
She's eating all of them. Lord have mercy. Oh my god. It's not even a race. Come on. I'm really about to do this. Like, I'm really like this. I really like that. Hold on.
Oh my
I'm
god.
about to catch up. I'm about to catch up anyway. What you
Come on, man, you got this. No, we don't.
That's exactly what you get.